What's up, Pack? We are back with another video. Oh man, I forgot the keys inside. Alright, so today I'm gonna try to pull a slick one on my mother-in-law and make her believe that her car got stolen. So the objective is I need to go in, get her keys, move her car around the block, and then act as if I'm leaving to work. Just kind of act as if I don't know what happened and see if she notices anything. I want to try to see if I can pull it off, but she's in the kitchen right now and the keys are in the kitchen, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Oh, mira el bebé, qué hermoso. Mira. Mocho. Di mocho? Mocho? Mocho. Got him. And now I gotta go move the car. Hot as balls up in this joint. Alright, so now that I can move the car, I gotta put the keys back into place. Alright, let's see how this goes. Yeah, I have to put them back. I think I can put them. Yeah. ¿Qué hacen? Wow. ¿Está bailando? Mira. Wow. Wow. I didn't think she noticed anything. I didn't think she noticed anything. Wait like a little minute and then like I'll pretend like I'm leaving, going to work now, and then like I think she's gonna follow me out with Axel. Huh? After. I think I'm You coming? Are you coming?
When you come and say that it was stolen.
Well, no, like I just act like you're saying bye to me.
So then I pretend like I'm vlogging our day, and then instead of you having the camera.
Okay. Axel, no. Suegra, qué rollo. No. What's up, Pack? We are back with another video. Dile hi. If you guys are new to this channel and you don't know, my name is Juan.
My name is Leslie.
And this is our little baby, Axel. Axel. Axel, di hola.
Ay, viene pues, baila después. Báilale.
You want salad?
Yeah. Alright, so for this. Ven, Axel, ya me voy.
Ya se va papi. ¿Qué hago?
Babe, the car.
¿Qué pasó?
The car's missing.
¿Qué? ¿Por qué te ríes? ¿A dónde lo metieron?
Babe.
¿Por qué me dices que? ¿Dónde lo metí yo? Let's go, ¿dónde vamos? ¿Qué?
¿No será aquel?
¿Qué pasó? No entiendo.
¿Cuál? Pues el carro no está tomado. ¿Y las llaves?
Oh, shit, hasta ahorita me di cuenta.
¿Y las llaves dónde están?
Ven, Axel, vente. What happened? Where's my mom?
¡Suegra!
Where did she go? Why would she be in the garage? Suegra, dile.
¡Suegra!
You guys, I can't stop laughing. I suck at this. Did she open the garage? ¿Qué? I told you to take out your phone so you can get... Ven, amor. I couldn't stop laughing. That's why I told you record with your phone, because I knew I was gonna laugh, and I went back inside because I couldn't stop laughing. I was trying to get a serious face.
No, eso es de la agua. The water meter, water service.
También se lo pueden llevar de allí.
No, del agua no. ¿Qué sintió, suegra? Babe, what happened?
I couldn't stop laughing, and that's why I told you.
We missed a lot of good shots. Her reaction was pretty good. She was like, "What's going on?" You were still inside when she reacted.
I had to stay inside for a minute because I was laughing.
Alright guys, so much for that prank. It wasn't really a good one. It could have been a better reaction, but Leslie over here. It's okay, baby.
We're gonna do a better prank.
We'll do a better prank,
I suck at pranks because I start laughing. I can't keep a straight face. Even with your prank, I was like laughing.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this little small fail. Alright guys, so we're gonna close the vlog here. Make sure you comment down below what could have been done better, I guess. Little Excel over here. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way you join the pack. Turn on those post notifications. That way you don't miss a video every time we post.
And comment when done. The sun's too bright.
Yeah. If you made it this far, then you are a real one. From me and my family, we'll see you till the next one.
Bye. With better pranks, and I promise I won't laugh.